A hummingbird just flew into our house here. Check him out. Catch him. I'm going to try and catch him with this net. Look how little that thing is.
I think the shirt would go better on him.
He's no bigger than a little insect, really. Yeah, he's a big... He's like a bumblebee, but a big size one, you know?
Across this country and probably around the world has zeroed in on this to try to figure out, well, who might have done it. And
hold this on the bee, baby. I'm going to catch him on the hummingbird. I'm going to catch him.
Please don't hurt him. You know, if you hurt him, we won't be able to release him. He'll die.
I'm not going to hurt him.
Well, the bottom line, Chef,
You just keep him on there.
in a very slow, meticulous way through the FBI, which is on the ground. Part of the job right now is to go to each of the sites where there has been explosions, and they've got to, in a very methodical way, pick up the residue.
Is that blood?
No, that's his color.
Let me
see.
His heart's beating faster than his wings. Or flapping. Look at him.
A third explosion in suburban Boston, at the JFK Library in Dorchester, and then there was another device
That beak is sharp.
Conversations with people on the Hill on relevant committees like the
soft.
Homeland Security Committee indicated to me that they believe the cell phone
thing.
service had been sort of temporarily
That's cool.
knocked out, and that was deliberate.
Alright.
And that would go to the belief that this may in fact have
You want to let him go? He's looking in the camera. We can't keep him, Brittany. We can't keep him. He's scared. His heart's racing. I feel it beating. Want to pet him? Be gentle with him. I've never held a hummingbird before.
I want to hold it. Let me hold it.
Here, don't let him go. Because it was hard catching him. You saw us trying to catch him. No, he can't bite. There you go. He's cute. You feel his little heart racing? This is going on YouTube.
Easy. You're squishing it.